It's called Growing with Grace Homestead.
Okay. How many subscribers do you have?
I just almost 2,000 now,
okay.
but my grocery bill is only maybe $10 a week.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I mean, and then we raise, like, this is a broiler house here, so we raise chickens twice a year. And then I have my Amish neighbors. They raise my cow at my house. So they butcher it, and then we bring the meat here, and as a family we package it. It's an all-day job. I mean, from everything. I mean, from ketchup to mustard to...
That's cool.
Yeah. I even have a greenhouse in the basement to start my seeds and bring them out here. Yeah.
That's cool.
Hey,
cool.
Thank you.
Yep,
thank you so
you.
much. Okay, I'm so excited to be able to let you guys see this. In one of my videos, I featured how I made a natural habitat, a feeding habitat, and I talked about the wood chips and having a tree company come in. Well, this is what I want to show you. Our neighbors had some trees cut down, and so we will take all of this, and this, as much as we put on it, it will last us for about 3 years. So about every 3 years, if you put about this thick, then you're good. So I'm really excited to be able to have the opportunity to show you exactly what I was talking about. Now what we'll do here, this pile, the chickens will take care of most of that, so that'll give them things to do. I might spread some of it a little bit, but I'll let them take care of this. Dump it right here. I'm tired, but this is another day. I'm going to let the chickens do all this. So they'll get this spread out. It might take them a week, but they'll get this spread out pretty good. So they'll do all the work for me. So this is why I was telling you guys about the natural habitat for feed. So my chickens go in here and they eat. And in my video, it explains it more. All right, guys, take care.